I heard this from someone that is super close to my heart. Madaling maging tatay, mahirap magpakatatay. That's when it hit me. Oo nga no, madaling maging sperm donor pero mahirap pilitin ang ayaw mag-obliga na suportahan ng anak. Some fathers say, sa akin din naman niya pupunta paglaki. As if pagpapalaki is easy, as if it's not daily work, mag-alaga, magbantay, magkatid sundo, magdisiplina, magpagaling kapag may sakit. All done alone without emotional support or financial support. This is real for me. I came from a broken family. I didn't grow up with my parents, but I still looked for my father. The longing for a father never disappears. And I never hated my parents despite everything. And you know what? Kung anong kulang sa'yo nung bata ka, hahanapin mo yan sa magiging karelasyon mo. When truth when truths are hidden to protect you, you grow up confused about red flags. You tolerate too much. You try to make relationships perfect because you're afraid of being left again. Minsan natadala ka ng awa, hindi mo namamalayan, inaabuso ka na pala emotionally and psychologically. That's why my child will know the truth. She already knows her father gives no financial support, not even visits. Not because I want her to hate him, but because I want her to recognize red flags. I don't want her to repeat my mistakes. I want her to understand that not all abuse is physical. Some slowly destroy you inside. I take accountability. I chose her father. I ignored the red flags because of pity, and that pity was used against me. Kapag walang suportang ipinadala, sasabihin ko, I won't protect a man at the expense of my child. To moms out there, don't brainwash your kids. Just tell the truth. The truth will always reveal itself. Kids are more aware now. They see, they understand, and they deserve honesty.